Hey, welcome people. Welcome to this new live streaming on December 28th. It's 8 a.m. where I am. So let me know if you guys can hear me. And of course, see me well as usual. Yeah, doing my own sound test and everything seems to be good. So I just want to make sure that I can read you guys and know if you guys can hear me and see me well. Welcome to this streaming where we're going to be talking about crypto in general, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and I'm also going to give you guys some good news for 2022 that BLW in general we're gonna do in order to help you make even more money. So welcome to this live streaming, people. Welcome for thank you for tuning in, and more importantly, make sure you smash the like button as soon as you join in. By the way, let me know where you guys are saying hi from. I just want to make sure that I say hi to you guys and so that we can have a good time. These couple of, this week in general, we're talking about a week where not a lot of people are actually going to be active, which is completely normal. But if you guys are here, you guys will learn something new as usual. And more importantly, you guys will expand your opportunities to end up making money. So yeah, where you guys are saying hi from, we're gonna have some fun today, and more importantly, we're gonna have some Q&A at the end of this streaming as well. This is gonna be like around 20-25 minutes at the most. It's super short, yeah, like I said, I'm gonna tell you guys about a brand new what is it called, activity that I'm going to be having with the BLW Signals group in order to help you guys make money with Bitcoin as well. So, oh, I don't have the live chat going on. Where is it? Okay, there you go. Sorry about that. Okay, so I got people from India. There you go. How's everybody doing? We have a small audience today, which is good. It's okay. My major audience is actually from binary options, but if you guys are interested in making money, you guys should learn about everything. So yeah, Nigeria, I got right here, Master Chef, how you doing? I also have Ramen from India. So hey, welcome. Let me just go ahead and turn on the AC. It's getting pretty warm here. Okay. I got Atlanta, Georgia. Brian, how you doing? Indonesia, awesome. So let's go ahead and begin with this specific streaming. One thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about was actually about this last 6 months of Bitcoin. But in this case, I'm going to talk to you about the last 12 months of Bitcoin. Because look, I was looking at some currencies that we have right here, and wow, it's crazy how some cryptocurrencies have actually grown throughout the last 12 months, 1 year. Last Christmas, we're gonna see exactly how it was, but last Christmas, like literally, it was thousands and percent of increase in different cryptocurrencies. Okay, yes, we're looking at Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the more popular one. The most popular one is at $49,000 right now, and in 1 year it had an increase of over 80% an increase. But if we take a look at Ethereum was actually a total of 439% increase in 1 year. Now, there's two coins that I'm actually super impressed about, and I'm already holding coins on 3 different currencies, but today I'm actually going to jump and start holding another cryptocurrency called Solana. And Solana had an increase in 1 year of 13.8 thousand%. 13,000, it's almost 14,000%. It's incredible, okay? So, wow, crazy, right? And the last coin that I want to talk about is of course, Dogecoin, right? The funny coin that everybody thought it was a joke. Well, it had an increase of almost 4,000% increase in 1 year. Okay. Now, if we take a look at the market cap, which is super important because we understand like what is going to be the future of these cryptocurrencies. Go ahead and take a look at it. It's $929 billion in the market cap with Bitcoin. But then with Ethereum, we have $466 billion as a market cap. But just remember that Bitcoin has a limited amount of Bitcoins itself, but Ethereum does not have a limited amount. Then we have Solana with a market cap of $54 billion and Dogecoin with a market cap of $24 billion. Amazing. But before I continue with it, let me ask you guys this. Who of you guys are holding any type of cryptocurrency? Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, XRP, Dogecoin, Shiba, whatever cryptocurrency you guys are holding in, let me know right now in the live chat. I want to know what coins you guys are tuning in. I also see people from South Africa saying hi. From Rwanda, I think. I'm not sure if I'm saying the right name. I never heard of that country. Jamaica, I got people from Panama, from South Africa, Somalia, holding ABEX and Bitcoin. Awesome. Awesome. And in the meantime, also remember, guys, while you guys are telling me what coins you guys are holding in, remember to follow me on Twitter, okay? The link is in the description of this transmission. Follow me on Twitter basically means that you guys will be reading where is it that I'm buying cryptos, okay? What is it that I'm holding and all of that. I don't even think I actually have the link in my description for some reason. Okay, so hold on. Follow me on Twitter. Sorry about that. I thought I had it in the description. But right now, I'm actually going to send it right here in the live chat. There we go. So yeah, follow me on Twitter. I'm always sharing what is it that I'm doing. So yesterday I said that the 200 EMA was actually being broken at 4-hour chart, which was, but unfortunately right now is actually being retracted. It's okay. We're going to talk about what's going to happen within the next few months, but super important. Follow me on Twitter. There, I'm going to tell you exactly what is it that I'm doing. And as a matter of fact, I told you guys that I was buying some Dogecoin when Dogecoin was actually at $17 or $16, 16 cents. So yeah, super, super important. Okay, so I see a lot of people say holding Ethereum, ADA, and Dogecoin. Awesome. Shiba, Ripple, Dogecoin, going to buy Snapbox, next dip. Awesome. So yeah, look. I'm not saying that you guys should depend 100% on cryptocurrencies, but I'm telling you, like, if you want to be rich, if you really want to be rich, if you want to be a millionaire, and people will say, whoa, don't tell people that they can be millionaires. Yes, you can be a millionaire with Bitcoin, with Dogecoin. Look, when Bitcoin was at $6,000, if you would have held, I don't know, probably let's say 10 different Bitcoins at that specific moment, that was $60,000 or even 20. Okay, let's say $100,000 worth of Bitcoin. That would be like 15 Bitcoins pretty much, right? 15 Bitcoins nowadays are actually worth 700, hold on. $750,000. Okay, that's almost $1 million, and that basically makes you a millionaire. All right, it doesn't make you a multi-millionaire, but it does make you a millionaire. Okay, for instance, with Dogecoin started like around 0.00006, I think. I'm not sure. So right now I have 100,000 Dogecoins. Right, that would have cost me around what, $60 pretty much, right? But I could have had, I don't know, let's say invested $100 into it. So that would have been like a what, 100 and let's say $150,000, right? Pretty much 160,000 Dutch coins, right? So right now it's at $17. That would have made me $27,000 out of that $150 investment. Does that make sense? So look, obviously we missed an opportunity, but the best second chance that we have in order to make money with crypto is actually nowadays. Okay, nowadays. I bought 3,000 with 10,000, having 3 Bitcoin so far. Awesome, man. Yeah, I got like, I don't know, I got like 7 Bitcoins at this specific moment, but I actually distributed all of that money into Ethereum and Dogecoin. And right now I'm actually going to get some Solana. But look, here's my plan, or at least what I think you should do as well. I actually don't I don't forget about my expenses, all right? I put my extra money into cryptocurrencies. The same money that I could have put in mutual funds or something like that, I just put it into cryptocurrencies. Is there a risk? Of course there's a risk, right? I don't know, Bitcoin can fall down and just stop existing or something like that. I'm not saying that's going to happen. And it's completely hard to happen right now when El Salvador is actually making it the Bitcoin city. And I heard yesterday, I think it was Turkey or Austria that was actually adopting the Bitcoin payments. Mexico is now accepting Bitcoin payments in some big stores in Mexico that actually are connected to local banks. Okay, so it's inevitable that Bitcoin is going to be accepted by a bunch of people. Now, the point of holding coins, at least in my opinion, is actually to make sure that you buy when it's dip and you actually sell or withdraw some money when the price goes high. Okay, for instance, right now, yesterday I withdrew like, I think it was like $10,000 out of Bitcoin, but I had like a $60,000 wallet that I wasn't using. So it's fine, okay? But I'm always holding my cryptocurrencies out there because I know for a fact that in 1 year, look, this is a lesson that I just learned right now. Last year, I withdrew around $500,000 worth of Bitcoin, if I'm not mistaken, into my bank accounts, and I didn't hold them. But if I had hold them at 20 grand, right now probably would have like around 20 Bitcoins or 15 Bitcoins or something like that. So it was my mistake. It's fine. But one thing I can tell you is that the potential growth of Bitcoin is, I would say, 100% more for next year. $125,000 worth of one Bitcoin. But the potential that I see in different other currencies, for instance, Ethereum, I do believe that Ethereum is going to be like around $15,000 to $20,000 at the end of the next year. So if I can hold as many Ethereum right now as I can, look, if I buy them when they're like 14,000, that's not gonna make me that much money, right? But if I actually hold them when right now it's around $4,000, then I can make a difference. Does that make sense? So at least that's actually my plan. It's awesome. It's awesome. Says check out Bayeheza's video about binary options. He's had 1 million subs. Oh yeah, I follow Bayeheza. It's actually a great video. It was kind of funny. Look, I'm not gonna talk about what he mentions in that video. He doesn't mention me directly, and at the end of the day, he tries binary options for 1 day. He actually tries my strategy for 1 day, and he's got like 60%, I think he said, which is good for just 1 day of binary options, like starting it from zero. But other than that, the other YouTubers, activities, and so on, I don't want to get into it. But it was fun. It was a nice video. I actually made a video responding to that video. Ethereum is going to outperform Bitcoin. Probably, yeah. Probably, yeah. I wouldn't be surprised that Ethereum actually overpasses Bitcoin in 2022. Honestly, I'm not saying that's a prediction, but it could happen. Now, I want to talk to you guys also about the best websites for Bitcoin, because I know probably if you guys are new, you guys are like, okay, so yeah, I want to invest in Bitcoin, but where can I actually invest Bitcoin, right? No, I'm going to tell you two different wallets that I personally use. I use like 5, but 3 of them are actually local, so I don't think you guys will be able to use it. But one that I use and I really enjoy is this one right here. And by the way, the link is in the description to this one. Yes, it is an affiliate link, but I love this platform. It's called CEX.io. CEX.io. The link is in the description of this video. Really enjoying this wallet because you can make some trades. You can jump from one cryptocurrency to the other and so on. And super important that you guys have to understand, withdrawals are super fast from US dollars all to your bank account. One issue that I had with Binance is because in my country, they don't actually allow withdrawals directly to a bank account. So I couldn't really withdraw my money. So therefore I stopped using it. But if you actually go into this wallet right here, you guys will be able to do so. And Dew Miller says it's a good time to buy right now. And actually, yeah, honestly, I do believe it is an awesome time to buy cryptocurrencies right now. If you ask me what cryptocurrency you guys should buy, I would probably say Dogecoin, Solana, and Ethereum. If you don't have that much money, right? If you have a bunch of money to invest, then go ahead and buy a few Bitcoins. But if you have, let's say, $500, $1,000 to invest, I would say buy Ethereum, Solana, or Dogecoin. If you put $100 in Dogecoin, I'm not sure how many Dogecoins are you actually going to get. Let's see, $1,000 times 18.35 cents. That would be 183 Dogecoins. Is that right? I don't think that's actually right. No, I got it wrong. 1835. That will give you 5,400, almost 5,500 Dogecoins. All right. So yeah, I got a question on the super chat on Polius. It says, "Hello, Chris. I have saved 1,000 euros for binary. Do you recommend 10% a day increase or 5%? I'm the guy who kept blowing accounts." Maybe you remember. Well, I don't know, man. I've seen thousands of people blowing up accounts, but I'm going to take the time to answer your question, of course, because it's a super chat and I appreciate it. Look, 5% is good. 5%, it's insanely good. Okay? If you divide 5% of increase for 4 days a week, because I don't trade on Fridays, that's 20% increase. Sorry. In 1 month, that's 80% increase. That means that every month you could almost double up your account. So don't chase the 10%. Stick to what you have. And this is an average, right? If you start, let's say, trading today, you make 3% because you lost 2 positions and you won 2 positions, whatever, 50% or 60%. But tomorrow you win 3 trades in a row, you stop. Why? Because that's going to make you around, around 9% or 8%. Okay. So that gives you already 12% in 2 days. Does that make sense? So stop after 3 trades, 1, and you're going to have more than 5%. But I would say don't chase, instead of actually going after the 5%, stay away from chasing the 10%. If you get it right, fine. But if you're not, just stay away from it because that's actually going to make you emotionally vulnerable and you're going to place trades that you're not supposed to, okay? 3 trades per day is good. You win 2, you lose 1, and you made like 4% increase. Or I would say like a 6% increase or something like that, depending on what's the payout on the pairs, okay? So stick to that. Okay, so going back, this is the wallet that I personally use right now. Right now, you can see that if you take a look at my finance right now is actually empty. And there's a reason why for it. I got 89 cents in profits or whatever. But here, let me share my camera. Here is where I kept the second half of my money. This is BitPay, okay? And BitPay, and I do have bunch of other like cryptocurrencies like distributed, but this is the, I don't know, I didn't show you on the PC because for some reason it's like I can't really connect it or whatever. But BitPay is one of the wallets that I personally use just to hold Bitcoin. and Dogecoin and Ethereum, but they don't have Solana, for example. So I'm gonna have to go into this wallet right here, or different wallets that I actually own. But these are the two that I want, the ones that I recommend the most. If you guys want to really go ahead and I don't know, forget about holding and just want to withdraw your money, then it's super important that you start using this specific wallet or trading account, whatever you want to call it. All right, this is Solana. All right, so you can actually hold Solana, Dogecoin, right? There you go. Dogecoin is right here. And so, yeah, man, this is super important. Let me save the favorite. For some reason, I don't have them. So yeah, super important. This is a cool wallet. Yes, Chris, thank you very much for taking the time to answer my question. Took me a while to save the 1,000 euros. Yeah, man, preserve that income. You're gonna be good to go. So yeah, this is the wallet that I recommend you guys to use. But let me know in the section in the live chat, what are the ones that you're actually using? What are the wallets that you're actually using right now? Let me know. I want to read you. I want to understand what is it that you guys are holding. These are my currencies that I'm actually holding. So yeah, let me know what is it that you guys are holding in. Okay. So yeah, Du says, try trading crypto. It's a good time to buy right now. Well, crypto is basically more for investing long-term than trading. I do trade cryptocurrencies. I actually have a couple of trades placed on crypto, but I actually place the trades with a $2,000 account, and I'm expecting to double up for like $4,000 in like about a month, right? But it was pretty much to have fun. Okay, Alexander is using Binance. Awesome. Binance. Yeah, Binance is one of the biggest ones. Biggest of the biggest. Okay. Binance. Okay, now let's go ahead and take a look, because I wanted to show you this. Dogecoin for the past 6 months. Okay, so I'm looking at a 4-hour chart. I can go daily, I can do whatever, but I do believe I'm actually gonna stick right here in around June the 1st, right here. This is where Dogecoin was 6 months ago, at 39 cents. 39 cents. However, if we actually take a look at 1 year, which is what live currency actually tells us to do, this one right here, we can go to 12 months. And this is where it started, right? 0.09 actually, right? You got all the way to 73 cents. One thing that I want to cover right here, and before I continue, is this. You guys will find a bunch of FUD on Twitter, so be very careful. I got a lot of FUD all the time right here. Hold on, because right now I'm just looking at soccer things. But on Dogecoin especially, wow, there's no FUD right now. Hold on. If you actually go with Dogecoin, you're going to find a bunch of tweets saying, hey, you know what? Dogecoin might go to $2 this year, 2022. And you guys should just stay away. Stay away from those, how can I put it? Dreamy messages or dreamy expectations. Well, there's a lot of fun in here. Okay, because yeah, that's what a lot of people believe, and that's fine. But most of these people are just gamblers, you know, like they're really praying price from Dogecoin to go. Like for instance, this one, Dogecoin to 150 by January 21st, 2022. How do you know that, right? That's just expectation. So stay away from it. But yeah. Let me read a few comments that I have right here. What's your thought on Shiba? Shiba, honestly, I haven't really checked that out. But I don't know. It's too new to actually know. But it might have some good potential. Okay. I had $35,000 worth of Axe Infinity token back in November 2020. If I held the position, I would have had 8 figures. Wow. The price is over 100 now. I bought it at 35 cents. Sorry, man. Yeah, it happens. Hey, Chris, what do you think about Kraken Wallet? I haven't really used it yet, honestly. I want to reach 6 figures with binary to be able to deploy a bigger amount in crypto. You don't really have to have that big amount of money, but you have to invest wisely. All right. That's why I recommend you guys to go into Twitter and follow me, because I'm going to be recommending where I'm going to be investing. If we fail all. But if I make a lot of money, which it's pretty much what has happened throughout the last 7 years, then you guys probably could be make money with me. My crypto wallet got hacked and eventually lost everything. Yeah, it happened to me. I had like 10 Bitcoin back in 2016 and everything got hacked. I have a treasure now, okay? Awesome. So yeah, going back to what's happened through Dogecoin, here's what I actually think is going to happen within the next few months. First of all, Dogecoin has a huge potential because right now is in a stage that Bitcoin was a few years back. Okay. So here's what's happening right now with Dogecoin. According to linear regression, of course, this is an indicator from what's this trading view. So I want to say that that's what's happening, but this is a cool indicator that basically tells you what's the trend. So right now, when I bought this Dogecoin, it was around right here. So it has been jumping throughout the last few days, and it's expected to jump a little bit more. Now, if once it gets to 34 cents, I'm going to be doubling up my account, right? So, no, man. Chris, any advice for binary? I still blow accounts. Practice on demo until you bring demo to 100% increase or 5,000% increase until you feel more comfortable. So yeah, this is what Dogecoin is going to happen. But here's the question, right? Chris, which one should I go with, right? Because I know you guys will probably be asking me, Chris, should I go with Bitcoin? Should I go with Dogecoin? Should I go with Ethereum? Should I go with Solana? Look, I would say go with all of them in small portions. And one thing that I personally do is that I always take a look at the jumps on Bitcoin. And whenever there's a jump on Bitcoin and a drop in Ethereum, which sometimes happens, I move from Bitcoin at a high price all the way to Ethereum at a low price. What that does is that I buy low and I sell high on different currencies. Now, you can do this like pretty damn fast with CEX, for instance. If you guys want to go with, let's say, Bitcoin with dollar, right? And you see that Bitcoin is extremely high. For instance, right now it's not, but it is extremely high. Then you sell it for dollars all the way over here. You sell all your money from Bitcoin in dollars. And then you go into Ethereum and you buy Ethereum with the same amount of dollars immediately, right? Don't expect the price to drop or jump more. No, do it immediately and boom. You're going to be buying low on Ethereum and selling high on Bitcoin. Does that make sense? So yeah. Super, super cool. That's basically what I do most of the times. I actually take advantage of those dips and buy more and more cryptocurrencies. Okay, so let's open a few minutes for some Q&A, around 5 minutes for some Q&A. If you guys have any questions, if not, we can just wrap it up. But yeah, cool that you guys were here. Before I forget, if you haven't joined the Telegram channel, go ahead and do so, like right now. On Telegram, just as well as on Twitter, I'm going to be sharing my predictions on cryptos, my movements on cryptos, if I buy crypto, if I sell crypto, all of that, I'm going to be doing it on Telegram as well. Telegram is 100% free, so the link is in the description. But that's not it. Starting January, we're going to start sending free signals from Forex and binary and crypto over there in the Telegram channel. So you guys should join 100% free. In case you guys are not in the blwsignalsgroup.com website, then you guys can get free signals and get a taste of what's going on inside of that group right now in the Telegram channel, starting January. Thank you, Baba. Yeah, big boss. Is it Daddy Yankee? So, questions, people, questions. I'm actually going right now and keep on checking on Bitcoin. I usually check it once or twice a day. Yeah, you see the trend on Bitcoin seems to be the same, an uptrend. By the way, on Bitcoin, right now, let me just go ahead and show you the screen. This, I'm going to delete it. It broke again the 50 EMA. It respected the 200 EMA. But the actual stochastic is actually being oversold. It might drop a little bit more, but then there's going to be a huge jump based on the RSI. So once that happens, this resistance is going to be broken. Okay, it's going to be broken. And once it gets broken, we're looking forward to get to around 60 grand. So not bad at all. Don't get all crazy. Because I watch all your videos, made 200% return in one day. Awesome, man. That's great. Congratulations. Any more one strategy for binary beginners? The ones that I have are actually pretty good enough. Thanks for the giveaway. Oh, Chente, how you doing, man? You're one of the winners for last Sunday. Next Sunday, we're going to have one new giveaway of $3,000, so stay tuned. There's going to be a live transmission for it. Most important tip to consider as a beginner, educate yourself. Go ahead and take all the trainings as you can. If it's binary, go and take binaryoptionsforbeginners.com, the website, binaryoptionsforbeginners.com. That's my full training for binary options. If you are a Forex trader, then go to blwtradingacademy.com. That's my best investment. What is the best coin to invest with? This is what we've been covering today. I would say right now would be Dogecoin, Solana, and Ethereum. Bitcoin is good, but you know, the increase is pretty low. Solana had an increase of 30,000%, which is just, it's sick. It's pure sickness. So, okay, if you guys don't have more questions in regards to these crypto, I do appreciate that you guys are here. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Tomorrow, there's going to be a new video coming in. It's not going to be a streaming. And most likely on Thursday, we're going to have a new streaming. Still thinking about the topic, though, I want to cover because it's pretty much about trainings. But there's going to be a streaming with a training on the 3-minute strategy or the 1-minute strategy, whichever you prefer. So let me know in the comment section of this streaming which training you prefer, and then we're going to talk about it. So I do appreciate that you guys were here, people. Enjoy the rest of the day and have a good one. Cheers.